Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best online earning mobile app or survey website. You can earn money by just watching videos and complete online surveys and get rewards from them. If you want to know more about this website, hold the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Swagbucks? Swagbucks.com is an American prize and dependability program administrator worked by Prodege. If you want to start earning online, join the Swagbucks link in the description box. What amount of cash would you be able to make Swagbucks? In case you're willing to go through some cash, there are typically a couple of paid offers every week that may net you $5 to $50 each. I go through around 3 hours every day continually clicking a few exercises and endeavoring studies, and gain about $200 per month by and large. How does it work? 1. Join Swagbucks. We reward our individuals with unconditional present cards and money for the regular things they as of now do on the web. 2. Earn points. Shop on the web, watch engaging recordings, search the web, answer reviews, and discover incredible arrangements to win focuses. 3. Get free gift cards. Recover your focuses for unconditional present cards to your preferred retailers like Amazon or Walmart, to give some examples, or get money back from PayPal. If you want to create PayPal account, link in the description box, check out the link. Acquiring technique and winning. 1. Answer surveys. Offer your sentiments and get unconditional present cards. Procure SB focuses when you answer fun reviews and surveys. 2. Watch videos. Watch engaging recordings and get unconditional present cards. Acquire SB focuses for watching playlists that we've assembled only for you. 3. Discover offers. Get unconditional present cards when you look at selective arrangements and offers from notable brands. You procure SB focuses when you pursue new administrations, look at free examples, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. 4. Search the web. Procure SB focuses when you search the web utilizing our Yahoo-fueled web index. 5. Play games. Get free cards for messing around. You can procure SB focuses when you make in-game buys through our accomplices at GSN, or play our unique free games and win randomly. I hope you're enjoying the video and start your earning from today, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share. Good luck.